Welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to continue chapter number 1, probability, exercise 1.1, question number 11. One card is randomly drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Okay. If drawing a spade card is denoted by A and drawing a card from S to 10 non-face card is denoted by B, then write the sets showing the following events. Okay, first U, second A, third B, fourth A union B, fifth A intersection B, and sixth B dash. It means the complement of set B. Okay, see, first we are going to discuss about cards. Okay, 52 cards. It means, see, 52 cards. Okay, out of 26 cards of red color and 26 card of black color. Okay, you know, out of 52 cards, 26 are red color and 26 are black color. Then 13 are heart shape. Okay, and 13s are diamond shape. Same thing in black, 13 cards are spade and 13 cards are club. So we get 52 cards. Okay, 13, 13, 13, 13. Then 13 cards, it means S 2, 3 up to 10. Then J, Q and K. So we get 13 cards. Is it clear? Now see, same thing diamond, same thing spade and club. Okay, 13 cards. So we get 52 cards. Okay, now see, here given that drawing a spade card. Okay, drawing a spade card is denoted by A. We know that 13 cards are spade. Okay, so here we can write A is equals to, okay, first we can find out U. Okay, U means sample space. U means 52 cards. We can write all cards, 52 cards. Okay, so we can write first heart shape H. Okay, H A, then H1 up to, we can write HJ, HQ, HK. Okay, then diamond shape 13 cards. Okay, so we can write DA, then D1, then DJ, then DQ, queen, and then DK, king. Okay, same thing spade card. So SA, S1, we can write shortly. Okay, SJ, SQ and SK, and then last club card. So we get CA, C1, CJ, CQ and CK. So we get 52 cards. It gives U, it means first number. Now second, we are going to find event A. Event A is given spade cards. Okay, so 13 cards are spade. So we can write spade S, SA, S1 up to SJ, SQ and SK. We get 13 cards. Then B, set B. So third one, B equals to, see here given that a drawing card from S to 10. Okay, non-face card. So we have to remove these 3 cards. Okay, we have to remove these 3 cards. Is denoted by B. Okay, so here not given it is a heart shape or diamond shape or spade shape or club. So we can write all cards, yes or no. So we can write, see, HA, then H1 up to H10. Okay, not write HJ, HQ and HK. Same thing, remove DJ, DQ, DK. Same thing we remove SJ, SQ, SK, and same thing remove CJ, CQ, CK. Okay, so we get DA, D1 up to D10. Same thing SA, S1 up to S10, and club card CA, C1 up to C10. It gives event B. Next, fourth number, find out A union B. So we are going to find union of given two sets. Okay, so we get HA, H1 up to H10, DA, D1 to D10, then SA, S1 to S10, plus we have to include SJ, SQ, SK, and CA, C1 to C10. So we get A union B is equals to HA, H1 to H10, CA, C1 to C10, then we can write DA, D1 to D10, and last we have to write SA, S1 to S10, SJ, SQ, and SK. Okay, we have to include SJ, SQ, and SK. Now see next, fifth number, intersection B. So we are going to find common elements to both set A and B. Okay, see, so here SA, S1 to S10 will be common. Okay, so simply we get A intersection B equal to SA, S1 to S10. And sixth number, B dash, it means we are going to find out B complement. Okay, so sixth number, B complement. Sixth number, B complement, it means U minus B. Okay, U minus B, we have to subtract from U. See, B is given H1 to H8, it means we have to remove 10 cards. Okay, so only we get HJ, HQ, HK. Same thing DJ, DQ, DK, SJ, SQ, SK, and CJ, CQ, and CK. We get only face cards. Okay, because in B given that non-face card, so B dash gives face cards. Is it clear? Thank you.